Last time I tried to approach dogs that bit somebody, I got bit. Hey man, you haven't seen a couple of dangerous dogs, have you?
I don't know how to get a hold. There's this dog that is eating up other dogs, and it accidentally bit my neighbor, attacking her dog. I don't know how to get a hold of animal control or have them come get it. But it's following a man, and that's what scares me because I don't know if they're biting. It looks like a white and yellow pit, but you can tell it's been abused. It has like chain scars around its neck. I think it's been fought with other dogs. It's sad, and it's been starved. And Tony, those people have kids down there. Go make sure they don't let that dog in the yard.
I've got it set up. I'm going to call animal control to get them out there as well.
Thank you. Please hurry up. I see him around some little kids now. I don't want any little kid getting attacked.
Is that the dog you called about?
Yeah. It's fine as long as it goes around other animals. That's how it started.
Does it come?
Huh? Yeah, it's been abused.
Come here. Hey, grab that. Grab the hobble strap out of the door for me.
No. Come here.
I know. Hey, just relax, guys. I know, but just... Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Come here. Here you go, buddy. Come here.
I'm not going to kill him or that. He's been abused. Like, he's been people.
Come on, buddy. Let's go. Get in the car.
I put some hot dogs out there for him.
Come on. Well, they'll evaluate him, do all their thing. I just got bit by a couple dogs a little while back. It was fortunate enough that I shot one, so we were able to test it.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're going to have to. A lot of times they'll actually nurse dogs like this back to health.
I hope. I don't want to kill him.
Where's the guy that got bit? Do you know his address or anything?
She's right here. She left.
Okay, but that's her house?
She just got Nick trying to...
Animal control will probably want to talk to you guys.
Okay.
Did you give your address when you called?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do
we'll,
think so, yeah.
We'll let them know, and we'll take this up to the shelter.
I'm gonna give him a hot dog.
No, because I don't want him throwing up in the car.
Oh, that's true. He's gonna have to
So,
Hello.
Come here.
Thank you, my man.
Yep.
Yep.
Come on, you want to get in the car? No, it seems all right. Come on, let's get in the car. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come on, get in the car. Come on. Come on, get in the car. I know, you're a sweetheart. Come on, get in the car. Come here. Come on. There you go. Get in the car. Come on. Get in the car. Get in the car. Come on. Come on. Get in the car. Oh, Jesus. Come on. Get in the car. Get in the car. I don't want to touch you, man. You're gross. Come on. Get in the car. Come on. Come on, bub. You gotta get in the car.
Can I give him a Butterfinger?
That might work. There you go. Get in. Come on. Come on. You got it. Good boy. Come on. Let's go. Get in the car. No, get in. Try something. They got these. Good boy. There you go. Come on. Oh, there you go. Get in the car.
Puppy.
He wants to, but I don't think he's...
He stinks.
Yeah. Come on, bud.
Come on.
Come on, get in the car. Come on, buddy. I don't know if that'll work or not.
261. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy.
Let me see if I can. There you go. Drink water. You drink water, bud. Come on.
Your mom was pissed.
He spit it out.
Here, I just dropped
Yeah. Yeah. Well, he's drinking some water
Yeah, I
now.
figured you might be thirsty.
He tried to get in, but I had him tied to the window. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. There you go. Get in. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. Good boy. I think he's not strong enough to get in the back.
Someone needs to be held accountable for that.
Might be
Report that.
some homeless guy's dog or someone that is just mentally unstable or lives alone.
This house up the street
Here, bud.
has a factory.
Let's go. Let's go. Get in. Yep. Come on, get in there. There you go. There you are. Yep. Yep. Stay in the car. Yeah, well, we don't have any control over that.
Could you just like make some
Well, honestly, it might be the best thing for him too. You know, if he's been starving for this long.
Go get help.
I know there's so many animals at the shelter that you don't want him just to bring him back to health and then he just sits in a cage and dies. It's almost better just to put him down. But that's not our call. It's up to them. So, yep.